Setting realistic fitness goals involves understanding your current fitness level, defining clear objectives, and creating a plan that is achievable and sustainable. Start by assessing where you are now, including your strengths, weaknesses, and any physical limitations. This can involve simple fitness tests, like measuring how far you can run in a set time or how many push-ups you can do. Knowing your baseline helps you set goals that are appropriate for your level. Next, make your goals specific and measurable. Instead of a vague aim like get fit, define what fitness means to you. This could be running a 5K in under 30 minutes, losing 10 pounds in 3 months, or being able to lift a certain weight. Clear goals give you a target to aim for and a way to measure your progress. Your goals should also be attainable and realistic. Consider your lifestyle, time commitments, and resources. If you're new to exercise, setting a goal to run a marathon in a month is likely unrealistic. Instead, aim for something achievable within a reasonable timeframe, such as running a 5K in 3 months. Setting attainable goals helps prevent frustration and keeps you motivated. Time-bound goals are essential to provide a sense of urgency and help you stay focused. Decide on a time frame for achieving your goals, whether it's 3 months, 6 months, or a year. Having a deadline encourages consistent effort and allows you to track progress over time. Once you have your goals, break them down into smaller, manageable steps. If your goal is to lose weight, your steps might include exercising 3 times a week, reducing sugar intake, and drinking more water. These smaller actions are easier to achieve and build up to your larger goal. Tracking your progress is crucial for staying motivated. Keep a journal or use an app to record your workouts, diet, and any changes in your fitness levels. Regularly review your progress to see how far you've come and make adjustments if necessary. This ongoing assessment helps you stay on track and make any needed changes to your plan. Be flexible and willing to adjust your goals as needed. Life can be unpredictable, and sometimes you might need to modify your goals to stay realistic. This doesn't mean you're failing. It's about adapting to circumstances and continuing to move forward. Finally, celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Recognizing your progress and rewarding yourself for meeting milestones keeps you motivated and reinforces positive behavior. Whether it's buying new workout gear or treating yourself to a healthy meal, these rewards can help you stay committed to your fitness journey.